Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this. Look at this slime, it's a little bit special. Watch this. It is magnetic slime. Oh, that's gone all over. But to show you how you're going to have to make this, you're going to need some glue, some disposable cups because this one gets a bit messy, some borax, that's what's in there next to the other slime, and some of this item here, this is called iron oxide. You can pick both the borax and the iron oxide up at your local hardware store. I've got a mixing stick, and I've also got some water and a rare earth magnet. That's really important. And a little hack I learned the hard way is put your magnet inside a little plastic bag. That way you can reuse the magnet without it being lost in the slime. Either way, I've only got 3 minutes to do this. You guys can take as long as you want to do this, but let's get the clock started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Clock is started. First thing we want to do is we want to grab a teaspoon of our borax, this white crystally stuff here, and you put it into one of the cups, and then you fill the cup with water. Nice and gentle. Fill that up and give it a little stir. Stir away. Oh, I didn't mention, but it is good to wear gloves. This gets pretty messy and pretty disgusting, so gloves really help you out. Now, once you've mixed that up, just put it aside. That's all you need to do with this. Now you grab some of your glue, pour it in there, pour it into another one of the cups. Stop it about there. I've filled that about a third of the way. Well, I was aiming for a third of the way, and then I poured a little more. But it's about a third of the way up the cup. You can see kind of in there, look up there. So it's a bit of there. Now get a bit of water and pour it in there. The water's just going to thin out the glue a little bit. Give it another stir. Spend a lot of time stirring. Stirring, stirring. Now you want to stir this until you can tell that the glue and the water is mixed together nicely. There we go. Now this is where we get our iron oxide. Now iron oxide, you're just going to grab 1 big teaspoon in there, 2 big teaspoon in there, and half of it on the table, and then 3, a big third one in there, and I'm just going to put a little bit more in. You see, the more iron oxide you put in, the more it's going to be magnetized, because that is what is the metal that's going to be attracted to our magnet in there. Give that a stir. You're going to mix it up. You can actually get a different color iron oxide that is available in red, and I've seen it in black, but I chose black because it was there in stock. Easy decision for me to make. There we go, mixing that up, and as you see, you get a bit of a dark grey colour. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Stir that up, get it all together. And now this is where we make our slime. So at the moment, let's see if it's magnetic. I'm just going to get my magnet, and I'm just going to put it on the side of the cup. Can you see? Hopefully you can see that. See it jump around a little bit in there. Pour it on the table. Now you're going to get your borax mixture. And I've got a little measuring cup because I tend to have a habit of over pouring borax. So I'm just going to pour a little into my measuring cup. And I'm just going to put a little bit in. Just a few drops there. And then I'm going to start mixing that real quickly. Should start, there we go, getting my slime. That's all I needed, just a few drops of that borax to start getting my slime mixture. I'm going to pour it on the table now. Get that out there. Get my hands in there, mix it up. So that is our slime. That is how you make magnetic slime. But at the moment, it's just a bunch of slime on a table. So let's bring our magnet in. Let's see what happens. There we go. Time is up and the slime is done. Look at that. Oh, wow. Slime is fantastic. And this is why you put it in the plastic bag. But it is also a great reminder to have integrity. If you want your friends to stick with you, this is a great reminder to have integrity and do the right thing. There you go, you now know how to make magnetic slime. Go make some for yourself. And I'm going to sit here and look at the mess I have made. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Gamed.